Good morning and welcome to week 7 of Online Finite. This week is your review for the final midterm exam. So if I scroll down here on the syllabus, you can see that due March 4th, this Sunday coming up, you have the homework A and the midterm quiz. These two things are both due for a grade, but there's also a practice midterm, which is not graded but very, very useful. So you definitely want to attempt that a few times. Now, to get to that, a lot of you, might be clicking on these links to get to different review things. That'll work. If you ever go to the modules, though, and try to get to assignments through there, I can go to Module 7 midterm review, and that'll take me to the homework as well. The reason why I'm going over this right now, which by this time you should know how to get there, is if you go to modules and go to the practice midterm, the one that I'm recommending that you do, and click on that, they have a broken link there. It's not getting to that. So what you need to do for that is just go to My Lab and Mastering. This is another way to get to all your assignments, and just go to all assignments. And from here, everything you need to do is on here. But you can also just click on the practice midterm test from there. Okay, and then that takes you to that. So the link through modules is broken, but you can always get there through My Math Lab. So if you run into that issue, just remember that. Also, if you have not scheduled your midterm, you're definitely behind on that. So make sure you schedule it, and you can do it anytime that Monday through the Sunday. So if you look on the calendar, let's just see when exactly that is. Make sure we got the dates right here. Okay, so if we look at your course, that should be, here's your midterm week. So you have the 5th of March all the way until the 11th of March to get that done. Okay, so definitely start getting that scheduled, and good luck on the midterm.